Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Lie down comfortably on your back with your legs stretched out and your arms by your side. And notice how your body is feeling at the moment without trying to change anything. So close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths in and hold and out through the mouth. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, breathe in, hold, and breathe out. And now just breathe normally in and out through the nose. And just leave your focus on your breath for a moment. And allow the rhythm of your breath to bring you into the present moment. Now bring your awareness to your left foot. And notice any sensations, perhaps the weight of your sock or shoe, the temperature, or any subtle vibrations. And imagine your breath flowing down to your left foot, nourishing every cell. And if you notice any tension, imagine it melting away with each exhale. Now move your awareness to your lower left leg. Feel the muscles, the bones beneath. Is there tightness or ease? Without trying to change anything, simply observe. Your left leg has carried you through countless steps, so thank it with your awareness. Now shift your focus to your upper left leg and feel the contact with the surface beneath you. Notice the weight of your leg. Imagine a warm golden light soothing any areas of tension. And allow your breath to continue flowing effortlessly. And now bring your attention to your lower back. This area often holds stress, so visualize each vertebrae relaxing, space opening between them. Imagine your breath creating more room here with each inhale. Now notice your upper back. Picture tension dissolving like snow melting in sunlight. Feel how your back supports you constantly and offer it gratitude through your awareness. Now shift your awareness to your left hand. Feel the palm, fingers, perhaps a slight pulse. Observe any tingling, warmth or coolness. And imagine your fingers becoming heavy and relaxed, like leaves resting on still water. And now move to your lower left arm. Notice the subtle movements of blood flowing through. Become aware of the bones, muscles and skin. Your arm has served you well. Let it rest completely now. And now bring attention to your upper left arm. Feel how it connects to your body. And with each exhale, imagine releasing any remaining tension here, just letting it drain away. Now focus on your neck and shoulders. These areas often carry our burdens. Imagine gentle hands massaging away stiffness. Let your head feel perfectly balanced, as if you're floating. And now bring your awareness to your entire head. Feel the weight of your skull, the scalp covering it. Notice any points of contact where your head rests. Your mind is calm and your awareness clear. Now focus on your face and soften your facial muscles. Relax your forehead, your eyelids, your cheeks. Let your jaw hang slightly open, tongue resting comfortably. Release any expression, allowing your face to be at peace. Now shift your focus to your right hand. Observe the sensations here, perhaps different from your left hand. Feel each finger, the palm, the back of your hand, and let it be heavy and still. Now move to your lower right arm and notice any subtle differences between left and right. Become aware of the miracle of your arm's structure and function. Allow complete relaxation here. And now bring your attention to your upper right arm. Feel how it connects to your body. With each breath, imagine space opening in the joint, muscles releasing completely. And now expand your awareness to your chest. Feel the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Notice your heartbeat, steady and reliable. Imagine your rib cage expanding with each inhalation. And now shift to your stomach area. Observe how it moves with your breathing. Allow your stomach muscles to relax completely. Imagine a warm stone resting gently on your stomach, grounding and calming. And now move down to your upper right leg. Feel its weight, its strength. Appreciate how it supports you. And visualize any tension dissolving like mist in morning sun. And now bring your awareness to your lower right leg. Notice any sensations without judgment. Imagine your breath flowing here, bringing relaxation with each cycle. Finally, focus on your right foot. Feel its connection to the earth. Wiggle your toes slightly and appreciate all the places this foot has taken you, and allow it to rest completely. Now expand your attention to include your entire body. Feel yourself breathing as one complete being. Notice how energy flows freely through you. You're relaxed, yet alert, at peace, yet fully present. So now, whenever you're ready, just very slowly start to open your eyes and carry this sense of relaxed awareness with you into the rest of your day. So notice how your body feels now compared to when you began. This peaceful awareness is always available to you. You only need to pause and tune into your body.